We're known as a river city, and all eyes are on the river. I maintain the water levels for the riverwalk. Right now, we're at the San Antonio River Tunnels Inlet. This is the start of the San Antonio before it goes to the downtown area. Right here behind me, you see the trash racks. It's like a conveyor belt that's in the river. We collect all the debris that gets screened out before it gets clogged up. We don't want to create any damming that goes down to the downtown area because it creates flooding. We maintain the gates, we maintain all the sensors throughout the riverwalk. During the rain event, we divert the water to the tunnels to protect the city. When it's drought like it is right now, we actually collect the water and we recirculate the water back into the San Antonio River.
There are two core values that the Public Works Department exemplifies. The first is teamwork, not only as a staff within our department, but we have to work with other departments. The other core value is integrity. We are out there all the time, whether people know that we're there or not. And we actually prefer if folks are able to go about their day and not know that Public Works was there to make their day better. I just wanted to say thank you to the nearly 700 employees of our Public Works Department that are out there on the streets every day that help us to be able to be successful in keeping the people of the city of San Antonio moving safely and efficiently.